Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can upload videos to your Weebly website. So let's get right into it. Now, all you need to do is just go into your Weebly website editor, go into build, and then search for the appropriate elements. Now, as you can see, you have a couple of different ones which you can use under media. You have HD video, which does require an upgrade, but you can use that. So just drag it over into your page and then you will be able to upload the video. Now, as you can see, it's not available in the free plan, so I can't really show you. However, what you can also do, you can add Flash, and once you add Flash, you might be able to add a Flash animation or a Flash based video. Now, as you can see, Flash Player is no longer supported. However, this might be circumvented by using Ruffle, which I think is the community made replacement for Flash. You can try that, or you can just directly upload a file, which of course won't be able to be played on your site, but you can upload the file so people can download it. And alternatively, you can also go into YouTube and add a YouTube embed and just add the YouTube link, which you'll be able to embed into your site. Of course, you should open up a YouTube account and upload your video there and then embed the video through this widget. And that is one way to circumvent the HD video uh, upgrade requirement. However, I'm not sure how good the quality of this video is going to be. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can add videos to your site. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.